Jumpstart your career in a high-priority occupation with the Industrial Maintenance Millwright program at Northampton Community College. With NCC's Industrial Maintenance Millwright training, you'll become proficient in electrical, mechanical, pneumatic, hydraulic, PLC, and welding skills by completing over 960 hours of in-depth hands-on coursework. The curriculum was developed with input from the area's leading industrial and manufacturing companies and designed to meet the demands of local and national manufacturers with a staggering near 100% placement rate. Led by industry-experienced instructors, the hands-on coursework introduces you to the required technologies such as process controls, motors and controls, mechanical components, sensors, mechanical systems, and more, equipping you with the skills you'll need to find employment as a millwright, maintenance mechanic, industrial machinery mechanic, field service technician, facilities maintenance professional, machine technician, and more. Make an impact on the technologies of tomorrow with the Industrial Millwright Maintenance Program at NCC.